Hey, today we are going to talk about chemistry lab instrumentation. First of all, engineering is the application of science with the use of natural resources to transform it with practical ends to human use. Laboratory equipment is available to measure many electrical and chemical quantities. Such a collection of equipment might be used to automate the testing of drinking water for pollutants. These are some instruments used at laboratory.
An important part of any investigation is the correct use of the measured instruments you are working with. Today, many laboratory instruments help chemical engineers to do a better work, but a lot of people don't know some of their main uses, characteristics, and issues. This project will try to change our knowledge about some basic laboratory instruments in a creative form to introduce people in the beautiful world of chemistry. The beaker is a cylindrical instrument commonly used in laboratory to measure liquids for mixing, transporting, and reacting, but not for accurate measurements. They are used to measure volumes to within 10% accuracy range. Graduated cylinder. The graduated cylinder instrument as beaker is used to measure the volume of liquids, and it has a beak, but it's more precise than beaker. They are sometimes used to indirectly measure the volume of a solid by measuring the displacement of a liquid. To measure mass, different types of balances exist. Analytical balances are used to weigh very small samples very accurately, while top-loading balances are used to weigh solid material. Precision is not needed. The triple beam balance is one type of manual balance. It has a beam which is supported by a fulcrum. On one side is pan on which the object is placed. On the other side, the beam is split into three parallel beams, each supporting one weight. When measuring the weight of a liquid or solid in a container you must remember to subtract the weight of the container from the total weight. Digital balances make this step easy.
Hi, I'm going to finish the explication of the instruments of material of the laboratory that I think is important to explain too, that are very basic and important, that is Bunsen burner and wire gauge. The Bunsen burner, for first, is a common piece of laboratory equipment that produces a single open gas flame which is used for heating, sterilization, and combustion. The gas can be natural gas or a liquefied petroleum gas, such as propane, butane, or a mixture of both. And the wire gauge. The wire gauge is like center of the right stand, has allow the flame to be in contact with a certain extent depending on the desired heat. In the content of laboratory experimentation, the combination of the wire gauge plus the added ceramic composite greatly aids in the dispersal of heat, and that means that an object placed over this type of wire gauge will receive a more uniform heat from a Bunsen burner that I already explained. And this property is important in various chemical processes where the calculus were precise. Thank you, and that's all. Thank you for your attention, and we are the group of chemical engineers. Thank you. Bye.